Hey y'all, come with me to go get an adjustment. I had some time today, honey, and you know as the lash tech, our back and necks be screaming. And there's nothing that can fix that but a good adjustment. Let me tell you, if you have not gotten an adjustment, go get you an adjustment. It's the best thing you can do as a lash tech or as anything. Whatever you do, go get an adjustment. Trust me, your body will thank you later. And of course, I had to come see Dr. Greg. Who else? Fun fact, I used to work here when I was 19 years old. He gave me my first real big girl job after medical assisting school. I worked here about 5 years, and I swear he was the best boss ever. Go check him out. He's in Tampa on Armenia.